Okay, hi everyone. This is sharing on number one for Jambos, J for Jumbo, and the date of this video is 14th of May. Yes, I'm doing this in the night where it's quiet. It's easier to do the video. Okay, what do I give to my Jambos? I deworm my Jambos with the same deworm but different dosage once a month, 5 days, just like my Putehs. Okay, after deworm, I use lava direct. Sometimes I use lava concentrate on its own. I can also combine these two for stronger dosage, but usually I don't. Okay, I use them individually. The interesting thing about lava is this is 120 ml, so it's pretty economical and convenient to boost the bird on the health aspect. It's also pretty convenient to boost on the performance aspect. Okay, the bird food that I use on my jumbos is this packet, jumbo number one. You can see from here. Okay, now if I want a stronger bird food, I use this. This is super number one. The number one is in the center of the bird. The super is on top of the bird. This is much stronger. This is much stronger than the packet version. Okay, the packet is 250 grams. This is approximately 120-121 grams pellets. We're talking about pellets. Okay, so we can actually combine, we can boost or keep the bird healthy on this combination depending on how strong you want to give to the bird. We can also do this. Okay, for some birds it's different. Some birds they do better on super number one and lava. Okay, not a matter of they're old or young or anything, they just happen to do better. Some birds they do better with this. Of course, I do have friends, they are pretty cheeky and they are quite fun loving also, and they manage to push the bird very high. They use these two to increase the concentration in the drinking water, and they use super number one. Now bear in mind, whatever you use over here, the vitamins, the boosters and all that, jumbos are fruit eaters as well, so you have to be very careful on the fruits. If you don't give the correct fruits and in the proper way, the jumbo will not benefit. For example, I've been repeating many times, banana. Banana is the first level energy. This is second level energy. So when you have the banana and the bird food, you actually have two energy sources. And if you give them daily they will have two sources of energy, they'll do much better. So if you don't give them daily, like you give the bird food but you don't give the banana, your bird won't have so much energy. And let's face a bald fact, fruits are very good for jumbos. It helps them in their digestion, everything. They should have fruits every day, and they should have a rotation of fruits. But the interesting thing about banana and the jumbo is we can actually put two fruit hooks inside the cage. Banana on one side to give energy, the bird food to give energy, and the other fruit hook we can put papaya to clear the bowels and give a bit of more moisture and fluid to the jumbo. We can give catola, that's loofah. We can give orange, we can give apple. So just step back and think for a moment. If your jumbo has orange, banana and the bird food, it has three sources of good nutrients. It's way much better than having just papaya and the bird food. So it's easy to count 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 3 is better than 2. Okay, we can adjust the size of the fruits. Don't be stuck thinking that fruits cannot be adjusted in terms of size. They can. You just have to slice it smaller or slice it bigger. You want more orange to be eaten by the jumbo, slice a bigger piece. Okay? So it doesn't matter. What matters most is the jumbo has a wide variety of fruits, wide variety of food as well. That's the reason why the vitamins inside here and here are so interesting. I'll explain later, okay? So that's about the basics for the jumbos. Of course, these are some of the factors. If you're feeding live food, you gotta make sure your live food is the correct live food. You feed it in correct quantity. You feed in the correct frequency. Frequency means how often you give per week. Every day, 2 days once. Even the time of the day you feed live food is important to consider for jumbos. Okay?